eyes follow like a spotlight, two eyes like the sun.
The Victoria's Secret fashion show has always been one of the most anticipated fashion events of the year. And every year I sit in front of the TV to watch all of the beautiful models walk down the runway in their gorgeous over-the-top angel wings. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd actually be sitting there in person watching the show. But hey, sometimes dreams do come true.
You can be cool, you can be shy, say what you want, say what you like, 'cause your body talks, your body talks.
We arrived in New York a few days early, and the fun activities started right away. From high tea to cooking classes to training like an angel and getting our butts seriously kicked in this workout class. It was actually such a fun experience, and I am so excited to share this vlog with you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
It is New York City, day one. Plaza. So we've arrived at the Plaza Hotel, and we're currently having high tea, and it turns out the fantasy bra is here, which I wasn't expecting. So Elsie's over there, and she's gonna be the one wearing it this year, which is really exciting for her. Here's the bra, up close and personal. It is so beautiful, and this is the one Elsa's gonna be wearing. I'm just gathering my things. We're actually heading out to make pizza tonight with Jasmine, who is one of the Victoria's Secret angels, so I am very excited. We have arrived at the pizza making class, and there's a whole bunch of people here, a few Canadian girls as well, which is really exciting. But this is the setup here, and everyone's going to be sitting all along these rows. It's not as easy as it looks. I realized I put way too much cheese on it. Very cheesy. Good morning, everyone. We have arrived in Columbus Circle because we are headed to Equinox right now, and we are going to be training like an angel with one of the Victoria's Secret trainers. We've arrived at the workout. As you can see, all the girls are here. We're all decked out in Victoria's Secret. We have these pants. These are actually my favorite workout pants. I have like 3 more pairs of them. And then we have the sports bras as well. And they have a fun little thing going on here. My face is going very red. This workout is a tough one. Apparently that's the workout that she did with some of the angels yesterday, so very cool. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. We've come back to our room, done a really quick change because we're off right now to lunch. We just had a really nice meal at a restaurant called Fig and Olive. I had some avocado and toast and ate probably half the bread bowl, but we're gonna go right now across the street to the Victoria's Secret Angel Suite. It's actually a suite that's upstairs on the 5th Avenue store, so we're gonna get to pick up some pieces from the new collection. We've arrived at Victoria's Secret, trying on some very fabulous pieces. I am obsessed with this coat, and then I have a little bralette shirt underneath. We just picked up our goodies. We have a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys when we get back. We've arrived at the very fancy Plaza Hotel. We are going up to the 4th floor and gonna get a makeover. I'm actually getting a facial first, which is good because I currently have a little bit of makeup on and a whole bunch of dry shampoo in this mini. This is where everyone's waiting, and that's where they were doing the makeup, right over there. That was all done by Charlotte Tilbury. And then we have the hair stations here. But she just finished my makeup and did such a good job. I love the brown smoky eye. I always try and do this to myself, but it doesn't quite end up looking like this. So we've come back to our hotel, and we've changed into our final night outfits. I thought I would show you guys. And this is one of the shirts that I actually picked up. And I just laid out all the stuff I got at the Victoria's Secret Angel Suite. So I got some really cute bralettes. I got a black one, the pink version, and then this beautiful bra, and then this really comfy pajama set. Good morning, everyone. Our room is looking cleaner than it's looked this entire time because we actually have the Glam Squad coming right now, which is a really cool mobile, well, glam service for today, because today is the big day. I am so incredibly excited, and we're gonna get our hair and makeup done, which is kind of nice because it takes some of the pressure off.
We are almost getting here. I love the makeup look.
And you tell me to confess. And you tell me to confess. Oh.
wanted to show you guys my show outfit, which this was actually my backup, but it ended up being the main piece because I got this Victoria's Secret bra yesterday and I decided to just unbutton it, and I feel like this kind of brought the whole outfit together. But very old Hollywood glam. The Sunflare right now is just adding a lot to this, and she did such a good job with the makeup. I wish I could get this glam every day. Oh, hello. This is Majestic. We're Angel. And our room is a mess again, but we have our interview outfits on. I feel like I'm going to a sexy job interview. Ooh. We are getting closer. I'm definitely getting more nervous. This is her beautiful hair and makeup look. She looks so good. I was saying, well, and so was the hair lady, that she should be a hair model because she has that kind of hair you see all those hair Instagram people use and are like fluff it out. Mine's all extensions, so you know, like, oh, just gorgeous. All real. We're about 20 minutes away from backstage. I still have not figured out my questions. I just don't want to ask something too generic. I want to ask something a little different, but I know when I get back there, I'm just gonna be like, are you excited for the show? Cool, okay, thanks so much, bye. When I'm nervous, I can't really think, so I used to get that way in school too. I'd just, as soon as the nerves would hit, I'd lose any memory I have. So I think even if I prepare questions, it's just not gonna work out, but we'll see. We found the media check-in, so step in the right direction. We have arrived backstage at the 2018 Victoria's Secret fashion show, and we are so excited. This feels surreal. I have always dreamed of coming. I never thought it was going to be a dream that would turn into a reality, so it's very cool being back here, especially with Megan. Sentimental time, but yeah. What are you most excited about?
I wouldn't say, again, still wouldn't say excited.
Okay, what are you most
definitely excited and more nervous. Just to see how it is. Like, the energy back there is what I hear the most about. Yeah. Just in talk to the
How were Gigi
beauty and everyone's happy and excited to see the angels in their setting. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's the biggest show of the year, so I'm excited to just be part of it. And
We've arrived backstage. We're gonna go interview some of the models right now to see what they think of everything.
The sun goes down, we'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Knowing who I am and being comfortable in my own skin and not compare myself to others, it really is what it's all about. You're never gonna like the way you look if you don't love yourself from the inside out. So yeah,
that's awesome. Well, good luck and congratulations.
Thank you.
And today goes well. Are you excited for the show?
Oh my god, I am so excited. There's some amazing outfits.
Yes.
The performers, Shawn Mendes.
So exciting. And so we met in Vancouver, and you obviously travel a lot for work. I was wondering, I usually ask my viewers this, what's the one place you want to travel to you've never been?
I would love to go to Egypt.
Yes, that would be
I would
super
love
cool.
to go and do like a photo shoot for like
Yes.
East Day.
Yeah, well, one day. Well, good
One
luck
day.
and
Thank you.
congratulations, and excited to see you walk tonight. It was madness as expected, but I got to talk to a few of the girls, which is really exciting. Such a cool experience, and thank you, Victoria's Secret. That was Rita Ora. Very excited to watch her perform tonight. This whole thing just feels very surreal. I was telling Megan, I kind of just feel like I'm in a dream. I watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show on TV every year, so to actually be here backstage interviewing the models. We've come up to the rooftop of the Elise Hotel to preview the rooftop bar. The view from this place is absolutely beautiful.
Tell me you got no place to be and let me take you. We could find some smoke to breathe and leave the city. Live by the light of falling stars. We're in slow motion when you hold me. Nothing seems to move. Roll with the ocean, higher and higher. Watching the waves, sipping on Chardonnay.
Final leg of the day. We are just getting ready for the show tonight. We had our hair and makeup done this morning, obviously, which is kind of nice. So just a few touch-ups and that sort of thing. You guys want to go and watch the show as well. This video is going up on the exact same day that it is airing, December 2nd. So mark, I was gonna say mark your calendars, but mark your clocks, because it's tonight and it will be a really good show. We've just been picked up by our driver and we're on our way to the show. This sparkly number looks really nice in light, sparkles a little bit. And there's actually 2 tapings of the show, interestingly enough. So the first taping was at 4, and then the second taping starts at 8, and then the after party is immediately to follow.
Oh, and I'm Emma. And we have a bit of champagne. We have made it into the show, the final stretch. But as you can see, there is no bad seats in the house. The girls are gonna be right there.